Gurubhyo Namaha. In meditation, to transcend external auditory distractions, remembered sound-related thoughts, and the forms of heard sounds, one must invoke the flower-tipped arrow Om Panchatanmatra Sayakayai Namaha, hurled by Goddess Sri Lalitha Devi. By symbolically placing this arrow upon the bow of the heart with the sugarcane stack as the string and aiming it upwards, one can counteract the sensory world's auditory disturbances. This deepens meditation, allowing the practitioner to perceive every sound as a sacred name of the Divine Mother. By Acharya Sri Omkaranandagiri Swamy, Omkara.